What's up, Burger World? Alvin Cailan for The Burger Show. We're live at ComplexCon. Some of the most creative geniuses all get together and show off all of their creativity. I am blessed to have Bar Zingaro right next door. And if you don't know what that is the burger joint by Takashi Murakami, one of the most iconic Japanese artists in our day. And there's so much murmuring about he has a burger with all this stuff on it, truffle, his bun is stamped with the flour. I want to show him what my burger is about. I want him to show me what his burger is about, and maybe our burger worlds can collide. Let's see what the fuck happens. So, Takashi, we're here at ComplexCon.
Yeah.
Right, this year, it's the year of the burgers.
Yes.
I hear you have one of the most phenomenal pieces of art that we get to eat in the form of a burger. And I have my hometown classic from East LA. I have Wagyu beef, guacamole, and I have jalapenos in a Hawaiian sweet roll. This is like from Southern California.
Yeah.
I made it for you with love, and I can't wait to try your burger.
Yeah.
Can we exchange?
Yes, please.
Please. Thank
Okay,
you.
Thank you.
Takashi,
Yeah.
tell me what's in this burger.
Okay, so very bottom is exactly lettuce and the tempura stuff.
Ooh.
The vegetable tempura.
Okay.
This is the key. That is burger thing. And then this is exactly Wagyu thing
Okay.
and truffle. From the France.
From France?
Yes.
Well, if you don't mind, I can't wait to try this.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Please, enjoy.
Alright. ちょっとじゃあいいですか？食べれるかな俺。
What do you think?
I love that.
This is amazing.
Oh, that? Which part?
It's
Oh,
soft.
wow, spicy. Very spicy.
Crunchy. So much flavor with the truffle. You can tell this is some good truffles, guys. Unreal.
Unreal.
So obviously you design everything.
You know, my friend of the French chef, he, helped for the everything recipe or something.
Wow.
Just I'm making for the design thing.
You designed it.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you love burgers?
Very much. That's
Me
why.
too.
I mean, I know.
Burgers in my heart.
Yeah.
So I see you're wearing a bib. Is the next move custom bibs?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay.
We gotta work together on a custom bib.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. You heard it. You heard it. We're gonna make a custom bib. Takashi.
Yes.
I'm gonna ask you a question that everyone needs to know. In-N-Out or Shake Shack? What do you like better?
In and out.
Ooh!
Sorry.
In-N-Out, baby.
Because, I don't know the other one yet. Sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah,
In-N-Out by default. What's up, baby? Takashi, thank you so much for your burger. Thank you for enjoying my burger.
Yes, very much. I enjoyed it.
Most of all, thank you for being an inspiration for all of your creativity and your beautiful artwork. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, I will design you.
Yes. ComplexCon, burgers above all. Takashi, Alvin, let's get it, baby.